Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we're going to talk about Dollar General with the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25, looking at deals any day, and then looking at deals specifically on the Saturday where you'll get $10 of savings on a $25 basket. Stacking that with digital coupons, that is a little bit of magic. Now let's talk about a specific game plan. This will not work. This will not work at updated stores. What is an updated store? A store like this one where there is no physical keypad at the register. Everything is touchscreen and they've changed everything. Where the arrow is, please take a special note of that. Also going to get 3 receipts at an updated store. Now how this is not going to work is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25 will not stack. It won't stack. And then also at this updated store, that's also really awful. It's not going to stack, and then some of your digitals may not come off. During the clearance event a couple weeks back, I couldn't get anything to work at an updated store, and I just got a royal tongue lashing from the manager trying to embarrass me to buy stuff, and I was very happy to avoid that transaction that day. The biggest savings is on Saturday the 25th, and we're looking to shop at non-updated stores only. Watch the register like a hawk. Does it have a keypad? Yes or no? Maybe buy a 40-cent candy and see how the receipts are printing. Any issues you have at checkout, I would personally void. With the price of things these days and how they keep raising prices here and there, you have every right to void a transaction. Oops, I forgot my wallet in the car. You're going to have to void this transaction. And how many times have you done that if you shop online? I just think all of us are in a place here where we really can't afford to make mistakes that are like $5 or $8. So definitely don't be shy to void a transaction. Also, scan the items to ensure that they're ringing up for the cost that we're discussing in this video. If they are up a little bit or down a little bit, it might affect your basket. So please use the Dollar General app and scan to ensure that digital coupons are attaching and the price of the items at your local store. Non-updated stores will have a receipt exactly like the one on the right, where it's the old-fashioned, where the S's are there for sales and blah, blah, blah. This is the store that you want to shop at. It has a keypad at the register, and this is the receipt that you're getting. Maybe buy a 40-cent candy or see how people are getting their receipts, hang out at the register and just take a look. And this is what we're looking for, this specific store. If Gizmo could have a little favor, if you guys could be so kind to like this video, it really helps out my channel to get this video out there. Please take a second and like this video. He would be so grateful. And he's a Russian blue for all of you that ask. He showed up in our backslider one day and we brought him in, and no regrets. Love this guy. Okay, so deal number 1 is an any day deal. If you can't get out to the store on Saturday and you just have an itch to get out to the store, this is one for you. Load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 20. We're going to grab the following items: a detergent for $7.50, 2 of the Gain Power Blast $4.75 a pop, and then 1 Gain Air Effect for $3.25. We're going to go through all of them here just to show you them in the store. So this guy, I know that $3.99 off of 2, we could load it a couple of weeks back. Hopefully all of you loaded it. Alternatively, I have other deals that you could Frankenstein a deal together with newer stuff. But this one, we're also going to load this one. This $2 digital showed up on Sunday, so I think most of you will be able to utilize it. It's for the pods or the scent beads or the detergent. I'm just, me and detergent. I'm always like, I'm getting detergent. And then one of these air effects. See how it says Gain at the very bottom? That's what we're looking for, because a lot of these Febreze air effects, they all look the same in the can. So pay attention. It says Gain on it. Okay, so any day deal. You're going to the store any day for this one. We're going to grab 1 of the detergents for $7.50, 2 of the Power Blast for $9.50, 1 Gain Air Effect for $3.25, for a grand total of $20.25. As the cashier's scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 20 is coming off for you, along with $6.99 in digital manufacturers. You're paying $8.26 for the 4 items, or $2.06 per product, and there's a little something called Not Too Shabby. Okay, the next deal that we have, deal number 2. We're just going to augment the first deal, but we're doing this on Saturday the 25th. So we need to load our 2 best friends, the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. This is what our basket's going to look like. very big Gain detergent, 2 of the Power Blasts, 1 Air Effect, and then 1 Razor. So I'm not going to go through all of the coupons and like load all of this stuff because you've just saw it in the last slide. So take a note of those 3 that you need to load for this deal. But the new item that we threw in was the Skintimate Razor for $6.50. And we have this very generous $4 digital that is attaching. So load it for this deal, and we're grabbing a women's disposable. So again, we're doing this deal on a Saturday at non-updated stores. 1 Gain detergent for $7.50, 2 Power Blasts for $9.50, 1 Gain Air Effect for $3.25, and then 1 Schick disposable ladies razor for $6.50 for a grand total of $26.75. So as the cashier's scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number, cashier hits the final pay button, 5 off 20, 5 off 25 will come off, along with $10.99 of digital manufacturers, dropping your total down to $5.76 for the 5 items, or $1.15 per product. $1.15. This is the Saturday to make it happen, guys. Can't stress that enough. Okay, deal number 3. Again, we are shopping on a Saturday. We're going to load our 2 best friends, and we're going to find a non-updated store. We're going to track it down and be successful. We're going to grab one of these big guys for $12.95. We have a $3 digital coupon that's attaching to this softener. Softener only 2, guys. Please make a note of that. We're also going to grab 2 of these Swiffer Wet Jet with Gain. Make sure that the 5 off 2 is attaching on Saturday morning. Again, we're going on Saturday, non-updated stores. 1 Gain fabric softener for $12.95, and that's that massive bottle. And then 2 of the Swiffer with Gain, that pack thing that they have to go in your mop for $13.50. The grand total for all of this is $26.45. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 will come off pour vous, along with $8 in digital manufacturers. You're paying $8.45 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $2.81 per product. Okay, friends, deal number 4. We're shopping on Saturday. You're going to need your 2 best friends loaded, which is the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. The first item that we're going to grab is the Mr. Clean with Gain. Please make sure that the word Gain is on the bottle, and you're going to load this 50-cent digital. The product is $4. So going to grab one of these little friends for $4.50. We have a $1 digital attaching. We're going to grab one of these detergents for $7.50, and we have a $2 digital that's also attaching, and then 2 of the Gain Power Blast with this $3.99 digital. Please load that one. Okay, guys, let's go through the math. We're shopping again on Saturday the 25th at a non-updated store. 1 Mr. Clean with Gain for $4, 1 Gain detergent for $7.50, 1 Gain dryer sheet for $4.50, 2 Gain Power Blast for $9.50 for a grand total of $25.50. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 25 and 5 off 20 will come off for you, along with $7.49 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $8.01 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.60 per product. This is your Super Bowl. This is your Christmas. For couponers that love to haul meat and potato cleaning items, this is our moment. Get out there and make it happen on Saturday, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.